Hi everyone, Adrian here. Are you tired of manually entering repetitive data in your spreadsheets? I have a solution for you. Today I'm going to present you how you'll create your own custom list in Excel. Excel comes already with some predefined custom list. If I type in cell A1 Monday and I use the fill handle to drag down, you'll see that the other weekdays will be filled automatically. So how do you create a custom list manually? Here are the steps for you. I'll go in Excel to File menu, then I'll go to Options on the left-handed menu, and after I'll choose Advanced, and I will scroll down to the General menu where we have a button named Edit Custom List. I'll press it, and this dialog box appears. Here are the predefined custom lists. You cannot delete them, but you can create your own. And for that we have the new list, and in the field list entries we can insert one by one each entry and then press enter. Let's create a list of departments. Finance, enter. Accounting, purchasing, HR. I'll press add, and the custom list is created. What if I have a list of persons? Then I will show the second option to insert list entries. They can be separated by comma on the same row, and I'll press add. A list is created. But what if you have already a list that you want to turn it into a custom list? For that we have import list from cells, and I'll use this button first to select the range that will contain the list entries. Over here is my custom list that I have used in my previous video. Let's see how to create an import custom list. First I will select all the entries, and an extra tip for you here will be to check the order as needed. You can change the order before selection, because this will be the order of the final custom list after importing it. You can eliminate duplicates if necessary, or you can sort it before importing it. I'll press enter, or I can use also this button, and I'll return to the options of the custom list menu, and you'll see that the selection will appear in import list from cells range, and I'll press import. The list is created. Once we have finished, we can press OK and OK once again for the menu, and now all three lists are free to be used multiple times in any column of any worksheet. Let me show you. For example, for the departments, I will start with one of the list entries, no matter which. It's important to have one of the list entries. If I press HR and I will use the fill handle, the sequence will be repeated as many times as we need. For the second list, I will start with Sam, for example, and I will use again the fill handle and I will drag with the mouse. The same effect. And for the third one, I'll use, for example, Learn Excel. And for the third time, I will use the fill handle and I will drag down with the mouse to see that it works. Custom list not only that saves your time, but also ensures the data consistency. In my next video, I'm going to link custom list with custom sort. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.